Welcome to our channel. Here's a straightforward guide to activating the ESPN app on your Fire Stick. So you don't miss any of your favorite sports action, welcome to our channel to activate the ESPN app on your Fire Stick device. First, make sure your Fire Stick is connected to your TV and that you have a stable internet connection. Start by turning on your Fire Stick and navigating to the home screen. From there, use the remote to select the search icon, usually represented by a magnifying glass. Type in ESPN using the on-screen keyboard and select the ESPN app from the search results. Next, select the option to download or get the app. Once the download and installation are complete, open the ESPN app. Upon opening, you will be prompted to sign in or activate the app. Select the activation option. You will be given an activation code that you need to note down or remember. Now, on a separate device such as your smartphone, tablet, or computer, open a web browser and go to the ESPN activation website, which is usually displayed on the Fire Stick screen or can be found by visiting espn.com/activate. Enter the activation code exactly as it appears on your Fire Stick screen and submit it. You might need to sign in with your TV provider credentials or your ESPN account details to verify your subscription. Once the activation is successful, your Fire Stick will automatically refresh, and the ESPN app will be ready to use. You can now enjoy live sports, highlights, replays, and original ESPN content straight on your Fire Stick device. Remember, you need an active ESPN subscription or through a participating TV provider to access the full content. If you ever face issues, try signing out and back in, restarting your Fire Stick, or checking your internet connection. This method offers a simple and direct way to get ESPN streaming on your Fire Stick without hassle.